some here in James, and we don't have not much of a progress in here. We still have a lot to do, as my contractor was saying that he was sick for several days and was working on Grand Project, but so far he did make some progress in here. Alright, so everything's kind of same over here. I still have to put the two lights a little bit higher so that it doesn't cover the mirror, or we have to put it upside down. And we try to put those accessories here, but it didn't finish it. So and we still have to align those cabinets, tighten them up, and straighten them up and make it firm. Same thing over here, cosmetic parts, tighten those accessories. And we did have some problems with the tile. It became so loose. I don't know what the issue is, but we still have to either take them out and put new grout, paint the trims over here as well. So have huge progress in here with the backsplash handles, connected the gas, everything is working fine in here. Connected the dishwasher, tested, microwave connected to GFCI, tested, garbage disposal connected and tested as well. It's in here, it's good, and all the lines are working properly. Alright, so we still have to work on paint right here, trims, paint, and lay down the tiles, and worked on the fixtures that are all tightened up, firm around. So we still have to work on the interior paint, tighten this one up, this one as well, trims and paint only this side, and we're not gonna be painting this side as it's utility wall. And everything else is working fine over here. We only got one problem. When Verizon was installing the internet, they actually cut off the wire for the water meter, so they had to come back and reconnect it, rewire it. So due to the temperature change, the joints, the connections of the trims are cracking, so we have to address this issue as well. Have to tighten up the dishwasher and put a filler on this side, and we have some other touch-ups and reduce and small fixes, mostly cosmetic throughout the house. So we have some squeaking noise in some parts of the house. So when they changed the subboard, they didn't put enough screws. So it's on and off in some parts, but mostly it's good. We're having some issue with the thermostat over here due to two doors in here and outside this window as well. The temperature is super low on this side of the house and a little bit warmer over here, and upstairs it's a lot warm. So we might have to replace the thermostat from here to upstairs so that we have better temperature control upstairs. It's about 5 to 10 degrees difference. That makes a lot of difference over there. So we don't have that much of a difference when we put over there. And here we'll have to address the issue of this. Half done air vents. They're not all connected, so they made it a little shorter. So we'll have to put all the way to the drywall side of it, so that the air blows all the way, not in the drywalls.